Welcome back to the channel, everybody. And as you guys can see, we are inside of my 2025 GMC Sierra AT4, and we're going to be going over how to change drive modes in your truck, especially in the GM trucks. So first off, let's start with which drive mode you are currently in and how to see that. So you guys can see here, I'm currently in normal, and there are three different drive modes in this truck. And when I first, got the truck, I didn't know how to change the drive modes, and I thought this video would be very helpful to some that don't know. So first, you want to go to the left side of your dash, kind of the lower dash here. And as you guys can see, you have your lighting controls, and then you also have your mode selector. And a lot of people like me might think this is just for trailering, because you guys can see the trailering emblem there, but this is actually how you select your drive mode. So if you turn this dial to the right once, you guys can see, you have a better view there, that I am now in sport. And then if I turned it one more to the right, I'm in off-road. So your three different modes are off-road, sport, and normal. But that's how easy it is, guys, to change your drive mode. And for a lot of people that didn't know, that's how you do it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little short tutorial. If you did, please drop a like. Also comment down below on if you guys knew how to change your drive mode or not. And don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video.